Nice job peeing yourself, honey.
Plug his nose. Tip his head forward. That's what it is.
When I went up there, I totally saw Riley running back to his bedroom.